When on the river, nature still calls, and here's how we handle it. Number 1 is done into the river itself. This keeps the ecosystems intact and reduces smells in high-impact areas. If you need to relieve yourself while on the raft, communicate with your guide and they will pull over and find a spot. Usually there are others that also need to use the restroom. All solid waste needs to be packed out using the groover, which is essentially a portable toilet. It is comparable to a latrine or a pit toilet used at campsites or trailheads. The guides will sanitize it every day and place it in a private and oftentimes scenic location. When you feel a number 2 coming on, start heading towards the groover, stopping at the hand wash right in front of it. There will be a colored board showing whether or not it's in use. Make sure you flip it when going to the groover. Another variation of this key is the physical toilet paper in a Tupperware container. If it's gone, it means someone's in the bathroom. The groover is usually located right outside of camp with just enough privacy. All solid waste needs to be disposed of in the groover. There is also an ammo can with additional toiletry supplies. And if you have to go number 1 at the groover, please use the separate bucket. To avoid walking to the river at night, some campers bring a container from home to go number 1 in and dump it in the river in the morning. When you're done doing your business, remember to wash your hands using soap and water and flip the sign back so others see that it's vacant.